So, end of day 77. There's more than 85 miles in that tyre riding from Charters Towers to here in Townsville. Because I've been out on it then, I rode another 30 and it's fine. But, what I am waiting for is the army to put in a temporary bridge. There's still flooding in 2 places and the broken bridge up to Cairns. I have about 5 days left. I need 3 days riding, possibly even to fly out on the same day of getting into Cairns. So it's all unknown and just unknown. Don't know. Cyclone weather, tropical storms, bridges down, bridges that are swept away. Couldn't even get out of the campsite this morning because there was 60 centimeters of water. I waited and went back round when it was about 30. But I'm not having this. This is ridiculous. How am I going to get up to Cairns if I can't get out of a campsite? Wait on the Lord God. Wait on the Lord God. God bless you. Take care. Bye.